we woke up longing for something more. More simplicity, when having better made things means having fewer of them. More adventure, when the allure of the unknown turns to the satisfaction of discovery. More connection, when the noise fades and the things that matter most come into sharp focus. It turns out we didn't need much, just a few simple tools and the space to roam and wander. Today, time was measured in moments, and in these moments, disconnected from the rest of the world, we found ourselves more connected than ever.